What is up, guys? Brit Tech here, back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to turn on your AirDrop. So let's go ahead and get straight into it. Okay guys, so I'm going to be demonstrating using the iPhone 12 Pro, but you can do this for any iPhone using iOS 14. So go ahead and go to your settings, and then scroll down to General, and select it, and then we're going to go to AirDrop. And as you can see, I have receiving off. So if anybody tries to airdrop me anything, I cannot receive it. So what you're going to do is you can either select contacts only, so people you know will be able to airdrop you, or anybody can airdrop you, even if you don't have their number saved. So yeah, guys, that's how you do it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Listen.